Hi friends, today I will share my career transformation journey with you. As this facing challenges in career growth is very common to these tech professionals. So I think this video is very relevant to many of you. So let's start from beginning. I actually started my career in 2007, and initially it was fabulous. It was very good, new environment, new job. But after 10 years of experience, I feel that my technical growth has been stuck, and as I was not growing technically, my overall growth also stopped. So this is very important, friends. You have to identify why your career growth is not happening as you wish. As you have to find the root cause. And as I came to know that I was not growing technically, and so I decided to not to let these things go like this. Let's do something, and I started exploring, and here my journey begins. And I think this is a very crucial and tough also stage in this journey, because no one knows everything about the industry. So here, which path you will follow, where you will invest your energy, that is a decision making factor. And for this you must have to rely on a expert. And here also a decision making factor, that if you are connected with a good mentor, then your journey will be easy and you will get success very quickly. But if you are in a hand of a bad mentor, the things will be difficult for you more and more. So initially, I got connected with a traditional institute, and I enrolled myself with a program, development program. And but after few times spending with them, I realized that my goal and their goal was not matching. My goal was to be a specialist, you can say subject matter expert in that field. But anyhow, it was not matched with their goal. And once this program finished, I found that this program has not added any value in my career goal. And at that time I was felt little bit disappointed. But I think I decided not to let these things go like this. I think I should try again. And this time I start exploring more and more. And I got connected with my ex colleagues, with my seniors, and get some knowledge with them. And unfortunately, I got connected with one of my ex colleagues. He first listened my story and said, Soham, I was in the same stage as you are now 2 years back, and now I am successful. I was very excited, and I at that time I came to know about Sai Infotech. He said that, Soham, as you are doing so much hard work, let's join Sai Infotech, and you will feel the difference very soon. So as I have a live example, decided to drive in. And I think till now in my career, that decision was the most valuable decision I have made in my career. So as I started initially, they have Sign Votive have give me the total portfolio of the program. That means how they will start, what time they need, and how much time I have to spend daily on this program, and so on. So as I connected, and after a few days, I realized that yes, I am his right hand, and my goal now are matching with Sai Infotech goal. So these things going on. And after as I got connected with them more and more, I got live examples of ex students from Sai Infotech, that they are also gone through this program and got succeed. This actually motivated us, and also built our confidence. And these things going on, and I also start following our mentor blindly. Means whatever they are just they give instruction to me, I just follow them blindly. And I got my success. So I must say, in this tenure, Saha Infotech not only means groom me technically. The mentor of Saha Infotech also helped me to be focused, to be motivated. And in this program, they have introduced many new things which are really helpful to achieve this goal, like mock interviews, then live environment example, hands on. You will be seen, and then the group discussion. In this group discussion, many students from different batch will come, and one mentor will discuss things with you. Here you can understand where you are lagging, and which is your plus point. So these things are really helpful for to development, and in terms of developing my knowledge. Then in this occasion, I really thankful to all the mentor who has helped me to achieve my goal in my career. And also, I want to give one message to the student which are currently going through the program. I must say, you are in a hand of a fabulous mentor. Just do your hard work, and success will come for with you for sure. Thank you.